welcome back. It's your girl Leslie. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me on my Stitch Fix unboxing. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for watching as well. You guys, I think this is Stitch Fix number 5. I think that's what it is, number 5. Let me let you guys know that my last fix, I was not in love with my last fix, and I kind of said that in the feedback when I returned everything. However, I missed the deadline to give the stylist new feedback before she put my fix together. So they got feedback on my last fix, but not on what I wanted for this fix. So who knows what's in this box? It could be great, it could be horrible again. They didn't get any direction from me at all whatsoever because I kept putting it off. I kept saying, oh, I'll get to it, I'll get to it, and I never got to it. But anyway, here's my Stitch Fix. I'm excited to open. Yay. And here we go. So I also know that they started a Stitch Fix Intimates, I think it is. So I did order a pair of underwear. So you can order like a bra, underwear, and certain types of intimate stuff. And I just tried it out, so they ask you if you want to have it included in your box. So I asked for it. Yeah, this is what I was talking about, the intimates. Stitch Fix has intimates now. So a fix with something extra. Easily add pieces from our curated collection of intimates to your next fix, including camis, shapewear, tights, and socks. We call it extras. You'll call it amazing. Your $20 styling fee can go toward any extras you purchase. And it's not the cheapest ever. If you go for like cheap bras and underwear, these are not gonna be cheap bras and underwear. Okay. Thanks for letting us style you. Here's my prices. Okay. Well, let's go for it. Let's just go for it. Here's my intimates. I think this is my little intimates piece. Extra comfort, extra support, extra nice. So I did a bikini pair of underwear, which was only $10. So let's look at my little black bikini underwear. Woohoo. Yay, my $10 pair of underwear. Awesome. Black. Everyday by Stitch Fix, size medium. Very, you know, plain and lovely, but I need some new undies. So, there you go. That was my first thing, and that was only $10. So here's my little bundle. Ooh. They did not give me a lick of color. They were like, hey, you like black, white, and gray? You getting black, white, and gray. You didn't like our last fix? We'll give you what you want. No color whatsoever. Hilarious. So they were like, we're gonna get this right. You're gonna like your fix. Alright, hi Leslie, happy fix day. For your 5th fix, I kept your color scheme in your comfort zone. Oh wait, who? Laura. She styled me again. Laura was the one who styled me last time and I didn't like it. So she styled me again. But it looks like she's staying pretty simple. Oh! And she found some embellished and metallic pieces to help bring on the glam. Yay, then we all straight, girl. The STS blue Tayah black skinny jeans are just fabulous. Oh yes, that sounds nice. And they would pair well with heels or flats and the Lush black and white printed cold shoulder blouse. No, I don't like cold shoulder blouses. Anyway, style this look with killer silver dangly earrings and finish with a pop of color bag like the Moda Luxe Cobalt Crossbody Bag. It might be a great way to invite color into your wardrobe without being too bold. I also love the black denim skinnies and heels partnered with the DJ and JuJu black embellished detail knit top. I love this look styled with simple earrings or silver cuff and again finished with the cobalt bag. So did I get a bag? Lastly, I just love the Hailey black maxi dress. Did we say black maxi dress? Okay. Style with wedges and the cobalt bag. Okay, apparently I got a bag. All right, let's see what we got here. Do I see a bag? Yay! Look at that. Okay, I said I don't like cold shoulder, but apparently I like cold shoulder with some bling. Hold on. Let me move this out the way. It's a cold shoulder top with sparkles. With sparkles. Okay. Yay. This might be staying. This might be staying. We'll have to see. It's a size large though. Ooh, I hope we can size down to a medium. I forgot to size my sizes down. I think for some reason I have larges as my size and I'm a medium. I really thought okay, wait, whoa. Let's tell you what that price is. Okay. So this was the Shiloh, wait, no. Am I right? No. This is the, yes, the DJ and JuJu. That's the brand. DJ and JuJu. Shiloh Embellished Detail Knit Top. And this is $44. Size large. I'm gonna have to size my sizes down. Urgh. I meant to do that. And it didn't get done. Now this is another cold shoulder blouse. This is the Lush Marquise cold shoulder blouse. Large, and this is 38. So yeah, this is the kind of cold shoulder I'm not so into, but of course I'll try it on. And then this is my maxi dress, I'm thinking. Okay, the Hailey side slit detail knit maxi dress. That's a tongue twister. And this is $58. So here is the front. So it's got like a it's got like a empire waist and this is going to be very, very sexy and very nice. Oh man. Okay, we're going to try that on. Yay. I just hope it's not too long because I'm only 5'4". So maxi dresses are hit or miss because they could be like super too long on me. Then we have these black skinny jeans. These are STS Blue Tayah Skinny Jean. This one says Emma. That says Tayah Skinny Jean. This is Emma Ankle Skinny. Anyway, size 30. So I'm liking the look of these because I do not own any black jeans. So yeah, these might be a yes. These are $45. That's not bad. Ooh, that's not bad at all. Okay. All right, and then last but not least, we have, ooh, okay, look at that. This bag, it's a crossbody bag in blue. Oops, I'm like not showing you guys at all. It's got a chain and it's got a strap and it's colorful, but it'll go with my little black ensemble. That's what she was talking about, the pop of color. This is the Eliana Crossbody by Moto Luxe in Cobalt, and it's $40. Nice little going out bag, isn't that cute? Not a whole lot of room in there, but ooh, it smells like leather. I love it when bags smell like real leather. That's lovely. Oh, it's like real leather, I think. Oh, nice. Okay. Okay, I liked this fix. Thank you, Laura. I liked this fix. So let's actually try this stuff on and see how it fits. Hello. This is the first top. So, seeing if you can see with, oh gosh. I don't want the hair to get caught in the actual bling, but this is the shoulder. This is the way that it fits. I have the black jeans on underneath. I definitely could size down to a medium, which I will attempt to do if Stitch Fix has. Sometimes they have the size that you can size down and sometimes they don't. So if this is still in stock, I will size down to the medium and I will be keeping this. Stitch Fix, you have made me fall in love with a cold shoulder top, and I don't like cold shoulder tops. This is miraculous. Now, here are the jeans. So here are the black skinny jeans. And so I think that these are quite a good fit as well. Sorry you're not getting like the full wonderful view here. You're kind of getting what I can get into the frame. But yeah, these are very super soft and comfortable. They're stretchy. They aren't really denim. They're like stretchy, like spandexy type, like cotton pants with just a hint of denim to them. But they are comfortable and they will go with anything and everything, and they are mine. They are mine. They're mine. Okay, so yes, I do have the bright pink bra on, which you can clearly see through these spaghetti straps. But yeah, a large is too big, and it's cold shoulder, and I think just one cold shoulder top is going to be enough for today. This one is just a little too hoochie for me. It's a little bit too much for me. I can't deal with that. So I like to wear my bras, and I like to have my bras have support and have straps. So I guess I can't really do the spaghetti thing. This one I'm not wearing ever. This is not a keeper. Ha ha ha. If I let go of this in the middle, you're gonna be able to see all of my business, and that's not cool. So yeah, and it's way long. Woo, see, there we go. Right, it's not even. And if I get a medium, it might be a little bit better, but it's super long on me. But I like it, and you can wear it with a tank top underneath, but it's super low. Like, you know, sometimes they have like a little bit of a dip. This is like everything hanging out, so I don't like that so much. But I do like the black maxi dress look of it. And then, hey, this crossbody bag, I'd have to shorten the strap a little bit, but yes, look at that. When you actually have a dress on that fits, it's kind of cute, isn't it? I don't know if I'm keeping this bag. This bag is probably going back, but okay, you can see a little bit of what's going on here. Let's do the prices, the breakdown of everything now, shall we? Okay, so I just threw back on what I was wearing before, but I did check the Stitch Fix website just to make sure that the things that were a little bit big that I thought maybe I wanted to exchange for a medium, I just wanted to make sure that they were available in a medium, and they are. So the dress, the maxi dress, which was $58, I can size down to a medium. And the bling cold shoulder top, which was a large, I can size down to a medium. So yay, if I decide to keep, well, if I decide to keep the dress, because I know I'm keeping the shirt and I know I'm keeping the jeans. So if I decide to keep the dress, I can size down to a medium, which is a relief. Now, what was your favorite thing that I tried on or that I put on? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I'd love to have your feedback. I actually have to send this back tomorrow, so we'll see, but I love to hear your feedback and comments on what I got in my fix. So, everything that the stylist picked was $225. Then the $10 panties on top of that made it $235. The buy all discount of 25% takes away $56.25. So I think the total is $188.75 if I keep everything. Now I'm not going to keep everything. If I keep the 3 items, which is the dress, the jeans, and the cold shoulder top, that bling cold shoulder top, I think it's $147 is my complete total, or $89 if I just keep the top and the jeans. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed unboxing my 5th Stitch Fix with me. If you are not currently a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. And also, if you have not tried Stitch Fix yet and you're interested in trying and getting your first box but not paying that $20 styling fee, go ahead and find that link below. Through that link, you can order your first Stitch Fix box, but you don't have to pay that first styling fee. So just whatever you get, you get. Whatever you keep, you keep. You aren't losing or risking your $20 fee. So go ahead and find that link below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Take care and see you later. Bye.